Good morning, this is Marlon with Storm Pros of Virginia. I'm here at 1115 Potomac Avenue in Fredericksburg. It is March 20. It's just a little after 11:30 in the morning. We're going to be doing a repair attempt on this roof. You can see I have it marked here, but the temperature is about 61 degrees right now. It is a bit windy, so hopefully the sound won't be too messed up. We're going to be doing a repair attempt. You can see this is the wind damaged shingle. You can clearly see the crease here. The place that I have outlined is the area that's going to be affected by what we do today. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove this damaged shingle, and then we're going to reinstall the same shingle to show what would happen if we would do a repair on this roof. So the first thing I got to do is unseal. So some of these are already unsealed, and I also have to unseal these two rows above because we got to have to manipulate these in order to do the repair. And then we've got to remove the fasteners. Try and get a shot as clear as I can of these as they come out. All right. And then we've got one more row up here. Come back to that one because it doesn't want to come out. And we're going to come back over here to this one. Let's see if we can. If we did this properly, we should be able to get, there we go. So this is the damaged shingle. Let's take a look at the back. All right. And then before we put this back in, I just want to take a look here. And obviously we can see there is another layer underneath this. This one loose over here. I'm going to pop that nail out. We're going to have to re-nail that one as well. All right. We're going to go ahead and put this back in. Just get a couple nails here. Now definitely to get these in, we got to manipulate a little bit more than in the removal. And you can see the angle here of how I need to get the hammer in there. We're going to go to this end so it doesn't slide down and do the same thing, and then we'll do the ones in the middle. Hardest thing on these is always getting them set because that other tab is kind of in our way there. All right. And this should be the last nail on this one. And then we'll go ahead and get these back up in here. Couple more nails. Really seem to hit anything. Just up a little bit higher. There we go. Go a little higher on this one. didn't seem to hit anything either. Let's come back down a bit lower. Okay. And then we got to get this one over here that pulled out that we had to take out. And this one that kind of popped out in the process too, actually. You can see that. Okay. Let's go ahead and re-nail this. There we go. All right, so I think we got all of them there. Let's take a quick look at what the result is. All right, so this was our damaged shingle previously. Not too much happened to this shingle, but that one's the one that was already damaged. You can see we actually definitely created some creasing starting at the corners of these. Hopefully you can see that. Because of the manipulation, you can actually see all these loose granules. This one started to crack a little bit here. And then actually this one that kind of pulled loose while we were doing that cracked at the corner too. Okay. In the process of removing and replacing this one, we damaged, see where these joints are. So we damaged one, we damaged two. So that's the same shingle. I don't know if I looked at this one. Actually, got a crack going right here too on this one. So three. So we damaged 3 additional shingles. So very clear from what we did here that this is a failed attempt. I'm gonna get some additional close-up pictures, but that's it.